Dear students, today in this small video we'll see how can we register or how can we make the SolidWorks ID as well as how can we make the virtual tester ID so that you can appear for any Dassault systems examination or SolidWorks examination or CATIA examination. So let's quickly start. First of all, you have to Google My SolidWorks. If you open this first link, mysolidworks.com, you have to open this website to generate your SolidWorks ID. You have to give all the basic information and you have to set passwords for this SolidWorks ID so that you can by making this SolidWorks ID you can use various CAD models, then materials are available, trainings are there, so that you have to make the SolidWorks ID. So let's start. You can log in from here, so just click on login. Now here your options, if you have already the SolidWorks ID, you can log in from here. Otherwise you have to set the SolidWorks ID from here if you are the first time user and if you have not given any examinations of the Dassault system. So you have to create the SolidWorks ID. So just click on SolidWorks ID. Now here you have two options. See, one, I am not a SolidWorks customer, or I don't have a SolidWorks serial, and second, I am SolidWorks customer with the SolidWorks serial. So we'll start with, we don't have the serial, so I will start with this option. Now what you can do, you can write your mail ID here and press next. So you will have this basic information like the company name and your address, city, country, postal codes, and these things. Now once you fill all this basic requirements, basic informations, press the next. Now here this is your first name and last name for the SolidWorks ID. You can write the details here, and you have to set passwords from here for the SolidWorks so that you can access this SolidWorks portal. Now once you fill the data, just click on this. By reading all this policy, I accept, or I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. Press next. Now you can see now your email ID or your SolidWorks ID is generated. Now next thing is what this is one virtual tester you have to download. So just write virtual tester. So the first tab, that is 3dexperience.virtualtester.com, just open it and download that virtual tester from here. You can simply click here, and this software is known as Tengix software. It will take some time. It is just a 7 MB software. Now once the software is downloaded, you can install it. So now this is the options of language. Here we are using English as our application language, so you need to select the language from here. Continue. Now you can see you have two options. You have virtual tester ID and password, and if you don't have virtual tester and ID, you have to generate this. And this is very important because whatever name you will be writing here, the same name will be displayed in the certificate after the successful completion of the examination. So you have to write the names as per your need, and it is as advisable to write your names that is same as in the certificate. Now you can fill these details. You have to set password for this virtual tester ID, so that whenever you want to give examinations, you have to you can enter in the examination with the help of this virtual tester ID. This is your mail ID and the password. State you can write outside US here. You can provide your postal code and the country India. Then two options are there. I accept the privacy policy, and this is also very important. List in online directory of certified users. So once you clear the examinations, your name will be displayed in the directory of the certified users, right? So if you want to do this thing, you can click here, you can check this and press continue. So now your virtual tester user ID and password is generated, correct? Now if you run the virtual tester again, you can again get back to this page. I already have the virtual tester ID, and if you don't have, you can generate it. Now we have generated that ID, so I'm clicking on, already have the virtual tester user ID and password. Now you can write your virtual tester email ID and virtual tester password and press continue. Now you can see the options. Now here there are various examinations of the softwares like CATIA, then SolidWorks, 3D Experience. Now if I want to give the examinations of SolidWorks, just click on SolidWorks. Now there are numbers of examinations available, like CSWA, that is mechanical design, and then CSWP, professional, then simulation set, sheet metal surfacing, examinations of mold making, sustainability, and then additive manufacturing, correct? So suppose I want to give the examination of CSWA, you just have to click here and you have to write the code, event ID or voucher code here. So after that code, you can, after writing that code, you can submit and your exam will be started. So this is all about how to make SolidWorks ID, how to make a virtual tester ID, and how can you start the examinations of SolidWorks or various examinations of the Dassault system. Thank you.